Okay, so I'm going to try electrolysis here. I've got some Nellie's all natural laundry soda, which is not really just laundry soda, but that's what I could find. Some distilled water and some more distilled water. I have deionized water, but I'm not going to use that. I'll keep it for something else. Set that there. And yeah, I'm not using that. This is the test subject carburetor. You can see there it's kind of rusty inside. And hopefully this is gonna, I did soak this in salt for a while, and then I rinsed it and dried it, but it didn't neutralize it properly, I believe. So I'm gonna just try to clean this up a little bit better, hopefully with the electrolysis. I'll use this as a jug. I'll set it up and get back here. Anyways, I got the two pieces in my solution. I've got my, I guess, anode and cathode hooked up, and it's, well, it's doing something. Sorry. I should look up a reference to see how long I ought to leave that in there, because I don't honestly know when I don't want to stand over it just because it's only supposed to be hydrogen come off of there, but this, again, the Nellie's was not pure sodium. What do they call it now? Sodium carbonate. It's got some other stuff in there, so I don't want to take too many chances. Hopefully this works. I'll leave it in there for a little while, and we'll get back to you and see how it is. Okay, so it's been just over an hour and 15 minutes. That's kind of what it's looking like. Now I'm gonna pull the stuff out. I've got some clean water here. I'm gonna rinse it in, and we'll see what we got.